This is a yam, a real yam, a true yam, not a sweet potato. It's an African yam, Dioscorea alata, and it tastes like a white potato. And David has shown you how to grow them, and I'm going to show you how to cook them. Now I'm just going to cook those in the stew for about 20 minutes or so, and then test them with a knife. When they're soft, like you would have a white potato, then they're ready to eat. They're good to go. The reason I have the gloves on is because there is oxalic acid sort of just under the skin of the yams, and it can be irritating to your skin. It's irritating to mine, but not to everybody. At any rate, I always wear the gloves, and but after they're cooked, it's no big deal. It goes away. So they're delicious. It's worth the effort. Thanks for joining me, and now I have to go find some bacon.
See that cup, gonna fill it up. Hear that beat, gonna bump it up. Soon those roots will be busting up, and we'll have yams for every sup. Yo, I gave all my spuds the boot, cause I'm in the woods, I'm grabbing loot. I'm looking for that yammy shoot, and the yam horn I'm gonna toot. Ladies, I got something for ya. Check out my fly, Dioscorea.